Hello guys. Welcome back to Sanka Tech Tips channel again. Today I show you how to create restore point in Windows 10 and it is work for all Windows versions. I think you might wanna know what is it and why we want to use it. System restore point is an image file of the Windows system configuration and settings in the Windows registry that will help you to roll back all you're doing in Windows. All damages and errors mean restoring the system to earlier date, which is when you created restoring point date. That the date when your system was perfectly working date. And that is the mean why we want to use restore point. If you create restore point after the reinstall Windows to your PC, you will get new look when you use that restore point. So make sure you created restore point after the changes you have made to your PC. Okay, now look at how to access and create restore point. Go to left bottom corner and click Windows logo and search in here system restore point. Then click settings. You can search in this tab system restore point, or in here go to system tab. Then scroll down to the about. Then you click right side panel advanced system settings, then click system protection in the tabs. So in here you can see your drives, they can be turned on system protection or not. But if you want create restore point in drive C, you must have to turned on system protection on status using this configure tab. If it is not, it will not working, so make it sure it is on. Now you click here create tab. In this window you can name it which you want to, then hit create tab point, it will do the all works for you here. Then hit apply and OK. Now if you want to see created restore point in the drive, open run using Windows key and R key press same time. In that type rstrui.exe. It will open this window and go to next. It will show your all points here. So that's it for today. I think this video might be help for all of you. If your PC facing a problem, you can tell us about it. We will bring you the solutions. Comment us down in the comment section. And subscribe us and hit thumbs up. Also don't forget to share this video. See you guys in the next chapter.